Saffron is a spice used for centuries for its many health benefits. Here are some delicious recipes that use saffron. It is a powerful antioxidant that can help boost mood, aid digestion, and improve overall health. It's also a great addition to food, and it can add a delicious flavor to dishes. Try adding it to your next meal, and see how you feel. You won't be disappointed. Saffron is a delicious and healthy spice that can add a lot to your life. So why not give it a try?
Rows of trees basking in the morning glow, filled with citrus treasures, ready to bestow. In the beauty of the
Sweat on my brow,
orchard, oh so
living life simple, ain't no need to roll. In the orchard where the banjo plays under the Louisiana sun. We work every day, we till the land,